Is hair transplant really painful?
So, most people expect severe pain after a hair transplant, but honestly, it is usually very manageable. You might feel a little mild discomfort or swelling for a few days, but doctors prescribe medications can control pain. The biggest mistake is skipping medications because you're feeling fine after hair transplant. So, proper post-op care with your hair transplant surgeon can lead to faster healing and no pain.
The biggest mistake patients make after hair transplant.
People think surgery is the hard part, but actually the aftercare decides your final results. Like touching of the grafts, you should seldom touch those grafts for initial 1 week 10 days post-operative. Sleeping incorrectly, if you're sleeping prone, you might damage the grafts implanted. Skipping medications can also affect healing, and also not taking proper post-op care like exposing directly to sun, dust or pollution may harm and impair in the healing mechanism. All of this can affect the healing. So the first 7 to 10 are critically important post-operative.
Hair transplant is done, but still no hair growth.
Don't panic if you notice hair shedding after your hair transplant. In the first 2-3 months, shedding is completely normal. It's a part of the healing process. It is a natural phenomenon. Many patients think the transplant has failed, but the roots remain safe inside the scalp. Around 5-6 months, you will start seeing visible, perceptible growth where you even start combing your hair. Final density takes roughly 8 to 12 months post-operative. Hair transplant results takes a lot of patience. So patience is the key.
Can skipping your medicines after a hair transplant ruin your results?
In some way, yes. Most people don't realize that. Hair transplant is just not about the surgery. Maintenance is equally important. So your medicines basically help to protect the transplanted hair, improve the existing hair, improve the future density. So without proper medication, the surrounding natural existing hairs can continue falling or thinning, which can affect your overall result over a period of time. A hair transplant gives you hair, but medicines keeps those hairs for long term, and even your existing hairs can improve over a period of time.
Why does your scalp feel numb after a hair transplant?
Don't worry, temporary numbness after a hair transplant is actually very common. During the process, tiny nerves in the scalp can get mildly affected while creating the graft sites or while implantation. Because of this, some patients might feel numbness or reduced sensation in certain areas. That is known as paresthesia. The good news is in most of the cases, these cutaneous nerves gradually recover on their own over the next 1 or 2 months. So if you feel slight numbness on your transplanted area or on your donor area, it is a part of the normal healing process, nothing to worry.
When can you safely return to work after a hair transplant?
Most patients try to return to work too early, and that can affect healing. Ideally, you should take complete rest for the next 3-4 days after your hair transplant. During the first week, try to keep minimal movements and avoid excessive sweating, stress, long travel, etc. In most cases, patients can comfortably return to office around 7 days, giving proper scalp care and recovery time, which reduces swelling, lowers the infection risk, and supports better wound healing.
Do you really need a special hair oil after a hair transplant?
Many people start searching for fancy oils over social media right after a hair transplant. Honestly speaking, that is all unnecessary. You talk to your hair transplant surgeon. We will give you proper shampoos, mild medicated shampoo, good serums or lotions like minoxidil, other hair serums to improve the hair quality. So during the healing phase, the most important things are the prescribed medications, the long-term scalp hygiene and cleanliness, and post-op care. So using random oils or experimenting with different products too early can actually irritate the skin and harm the hair transplant results.